Mehrauli is a well-known area in Delhi that caters to various needs of people. One such requirement is survey instruments and their accessories. Survey instrument accessory dealers in Mehrauli play a crucial role in providing high-quality equipment to professionals in the field of surveying. These dealers offer a wide range of products that are essential for accurate and efficient surveying. From tripods and leveling rods to prisms and GPS systems, they have everything that surveyors need to carry out their work effectively. When it comes to surveying, having the right accessories is of utmost importance. The accuracy of measurements and the efficiency of the entire process depend on the quality of the equipment used. This is why it is essential to rely on trusted dealers who can provide reliable and durable instruments. The survey instrument accessory dealers in Mehrauli understand the unique requirements of professionals in this field and offer products that meet their specific needs. Scon Design is one such dealer in Mehrauli that specializes in survey instrument accessories. They have established a reputation for their commitment to providing top-notch products and excellent customer service. With a wide range of instruments and accessories available, they cater to the diverse needs of surveyors. Whether it is a simple leveling rod or a complex GPS system, Scon Design has it all. When working on surveys, professionals need to ensure that the measurements are accurate and precise. This is where the quality of the equipment comes into play. The survey instrument accessory dealers in Mehrauli understand this need and source their products from reputable manufacturers. This ensures that their customers receive instruments that are not only reliable but also durable. By providing high-quality accessories, these dealers help surveyors carry out their work with confidence and efficiency. In addition to offering top-quality products, the survey instrument accessory dealers in Mehrauli also provide excellent customer service. They understand the importance of prompt assistance and support when it comes to surveying equipment. Whether it is helping customers choose the right product or providing technical guidance, these dealers are always ready to assist. This level of customer service sets them apart from others in the market. In conclusion, survey instrument accessory dealers in Mehrauli play a vital role in meeting the needs of professionals in the field of surveying. With their wide range of high-quality products and excellent customer service, they ensure that surveyors have access to reliable and durable equipment. Whether it is Scon Design or any other dealer, these establishments understand the unique requirements of surveyors and strive to provide them with the best tools for their work. When it comes to surveying instruments and their accessories, the dealers in Mehrauli are the go-to destination for professionals in Delhi. These dealers offer a wide range of surveying instruments and accessories, catering to